Hey, my name is Will Mayo, and I'm the founder and CEO of SpokenLayer. We went through Brandathon about a month and change ago, and honestly, it was one of the most changing experiences for the company, for me, and actually what we're doing in many ways. Up until Brandathon, we were really a handful of engineers that really loved to talk about the mechanics of what we do and what we did. And now, after we had the experience of Brandathon, we can look at what we do, talk about the value that it provides, who we're working with, what it creates for them, and much more really came out of there with a real product, a real vision, and a real brand strategy, something that we didn't have and came into Brandathon very open-eyed and didn't know what to expect, but knew we needed to really evolve in that area. So I think it was one of the best experiences we've had as a company, and I can say that compared to going through accelerators and other places like that, we've had a lot of great relations with people, a huge change to what we did. And not only did we get the value of bringing our team together, creating something new for our team and for our company, but actually turned out end up getting a lot of connections to investors and actual investment from going through Brandathon. We raised many hundreds of thousands of dollars in the subsequent weeks after Brandathon from people we met there. So not only is it a great experience, it's great for your company, but in many ways it could lead to a massive investment. So anyone even considering Brandathon should do everything in their power to do it and get there. Zishan and the whole crew is amazing. So hope you get to do Brandathon too, because it changed SpokenLayer, changed me, and hopefully it can change you too. Have a good one.